poppin', everybody? Happy Veteran Day to all my veterans out there, you know what I'm saying? I got the day off, so I'm headed to the mall. I'm actually going to meet up with my dog, Lou. Yep. He has the Chicago One loads. It's going to be dropping this weekend early for you guys, so I definitely want to get that video out to you guys ASAP. We're going to talk about sizing and all that good stuff when it comes to those. This is actually a pair that I think will sell out unlike all the other retros that we've seen, right? And then also we got the Caitlin Clark Kobe's that's dropping tomorrow. Y'all ain't talking about those. Ain't nobody talking about them. Allegedly, as you guys can see on the screen, it's only going to be 12,000 pairs that drop on the sneakers app. I haven't seen them at any of the boutiques, you know, your standard boutiques like Manir or anything like that. So I'm starting to think these things might be a little bit of a problem. But I'm gonna actually try to go into DSG here in my area and see if I'm able to look at these things today. Not promising you guys, but you gotta watch the video to see if I was actually able to get these things in hand and get you guys a look at these Caitlin Clark Kobe 6s. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and meet up with my dog Lou, and then we're gonna go to DSG or Dick's, whichever one you want to call it, and then we're gonna close out this video for you today. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Hey, let's do it. Pulled up my dog Lou in the building. What's up, fam? You know what we Of course, we got right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it right here. Here go the size tag for you guys. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Hey, if Lou gets them early, man, hold on. Look, dude, stop wrapping these things like burritos, bro. Hold up, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all see them right here. The Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. I told y'all we'd get y'all a little quick early look, and I'm gonna do a detailed review as well. But I want to talk to my dog Lou. So what you think, man? When it comes to sizing for these things, what we looking at, man?
True to size for sure.
True to size. Lou said true to size. And the quality, leather quality, y'all can see right here, man.
Man, bro. None of that cheap stuff, bro.
Man, look at that big swoosh.
They made up with it, man.
That nice booty. You know what I'm saying? What about laces? Oh, we got extra lace up in here. Laces. Hey, shout out eBay, man. eBay is where it's at, man. Let me see. Are these white laces or cream laces?
No, they're white. They're white.
Let's see here. So we do have the white laces. They do come in a box like this. So if y'all laces got like a bag or something hanging down, foo. They ain't real, but they're over here. So the insoles right here, Dream Cell insoles. Now listen, I normally go a half a size down on my lows, Lou. Tell the people what they should go for if they going for these.
True to size.
True to size.
And the inside's different too. It's black. I don't know if it's been like that on the other Jordan 1s, but that foam is black. I think it's usually blue or white or what?
Yeah, I think it's like blue.
Yeah, that's like an extra foam piece they put in there. So yeah, man.
So true to size, Dream Cell insole, as you guys can see right here. But hey, look at this, man. Early look for y'all, man. I'll do a detailed review. The Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. Man, them things just, man, look at that, man. Them things.
They're beautiful.
Oh my gosh, man. These are going, you think they're going to sell out?
Oh, absolutely.
So sell out, Lou.
2 minutes. Gone.
Go. Hey, we appreciate you letting us review it, man. Always. Dope, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment section because this is going to be something that y'all going to cop. All right, so now we're gonna go in DSG and we're gonna see if they're gonna let me review these Caitlin Clark Kobe's, man. I don't know, man. We're gonna see. I don't have a relationship with them, so they might not let me, but I'm gonna see if they actually let me take a look for y'all. We see. All right, so we over up in the basketball section, you know what I'm saying? What's Jordans are sitting? We got these joints here. Of course, you know the basic stuff that's sitting, Fire Reds, you know. Air Jordan 4s, the Rare Airs are like sitting around in here. I gotta try to find somebody to see if I can actually ask them about these Kobe's. So they wouldn't let me see this box and stuff like that, but they do have them here in the shelf right here in the glass box right here. So these are the Caitlin Clark Kobe 6s, as you guys can see. They're a lot more darker than what I thought when it comes to that blue. But a little metallic spickle spackle right there. It is a solid outsole. It's not translucent. Y'all see the back end of them. Got the Kobe logo in that dark blue. Retail is $199.99, so $200. So these are what they look like, man. But y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is something that y'all messing with. Blue Kobe logo on the top. A lot of people don't like this whole concept of you know, Caitlin Clark with the Kobe's and stuff like that. It don't bother me none at all. I'm gonna be honest with you. But definitely a dope sneaker. Like I said, 12,000 pairs supposed to be dropping. Allegedly, that's it. But y'all let me know, is this a must cop for you guys? Do y'all like this colorway? Do y'all not? Let me know down in the comment section. All right, y'all, so we out the mall, and as you guys can see, I was able to get you guys somewhat of a view of the Caitlin Clark Kobe's that's gonna be dropping tomorrow. And I know some of y'all mad. Y'all mad because I keep saying Caitlin Clark Kobe's, they Kobe's, I shouldn't be mixing the two. Hey, it's just the name of them, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Be mad at the producer, not me. You feel what I'm saying? Also, I was able to go into JD Sport. I keep telling y'all to go out into your stores and purchase another pair of the, you know what I'm saying, after release, no problem, of the Taxi 12s, man. So they are still sitting in stores. Not dried up just yet, but I do eventually think they will dry up. Such a clean pair, man. So make sure y'all go out to y'all store and grab these as well. All right, so we did have a lot that happened in this video today. We got the Chicago look, and I'm gonna get you guys another video on that. We got the Caitlin Clark look. I'm probably gonna give you guys detailed review on those tomorrow because I should be able to grab a pair. And then we seen that we do have the Taxi 12s still in store, man. So hey, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribe, hit that like button and comment down below and let me know if any of these shoes are appealing to you guys and if the Taxi 12s are sitting in your area. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll